Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video again, I'm talking about Stellar XLM. What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the Stellar XLM? In this video, I will share the whole update, guys. But before starting this video, please, guys, make sure to subscribe our channel. Please subscribe now our channel, guys. Now Stellar XLM is also going positive in the market. The price of XLM pumping, because I also predicted Stellar in my previous videos, guys, that the price of Stellar will pump in October, guys. So now, first of all, my prediction is going right about Stellar. So now you can see here the price is in the pumping mode, guys. The last 1 hour update is positive 1.16%. Same like that for yesterday. You can see here, if we look at yesterday last 1 day update, so negative 4.67%. the price decreased, the price dump, guys. You know what, a lot of people, short time investor, decide to sell yesterday. That's why the short time investor just invest for 1 day, just invest for 12 hours, and a lot of people are doing trading between resistance and support. A lot of people I found trading and between resistance and support, guys. So that's why the Stellar changes is now negative, but don't worry, again the changes become positive, guys. Anyways, the right now price is about 0.308081 USD dollar. That is right now price of Stellar XLM in the market. Furthermore, if we study the price chart, so you can see here, guys, in the right now situation, again Stellar start pumping, guys. You can see here now here a lot of short time investor buy, and now you can see when they reach here, so they decide to sell. Now again the price blow up. So again I recommend holding. If you hold for a long time, so you get a huge profit. If you hold for a short time, so you get short profit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.